Okay, so now in this video we will add a timer to our game, so after 5 seconds or 3 seconds the game will start. As you see, in most of the games there is a timer, and after that timer the game starts. Okay, so for that let's create a UI canvas and let's name this as player canvas. Okay, inside this canvas we will add the timer and also the touch input things as well. Okay, so for now let's name this as player canvas, and in here let's create a UI text by the name of timer. As you can see the text right there. Now let's go inside the scene view 2D and focus up on the text. Let's turn on the gizmos. Okay, there is our canvas, then here is the text. Let's move it to the top middle. Okay, you can press the alt button and move it to the top. Okay, if you check it out, here it is. Let's change the text to 5 for now. Change the font size 40. Okay, let's resize it. There it is. And it is not actually on the center. Okay, now it is on the center. You can move it manually if you want. And once it is on the center, now let's change the font. Let's select the space gray. Okay, there it is. And we want to color this as red, so let me click on the sprites. Right here we want a similar color to this steering wheel. Okay, so we can click on that and then click on this page pick color from the screen. Okay, and we want to pick this red color. Okay, so select that one, as you can see, and you can see the color values right here if you want to just write these values. That's it. If you see in the game view, here is the text, and actually let's make this bold. Now it looks really beautiful, and like this it will change. Okay, now we have the timer at the top. Now the next thing which we will be doing is to type a script for this timer and make this timer work. Okay, so we will do that in the next video.